Hello Superuser, today we're going to learn how to make headless notes. That way you can create more aleatoric effects with your music. For instance, here is just what this will come out looking like. This tells the player, play something with this rough general contour, but we don't even want these exact notes. So that's what we're going to be making today. The first step is we're going to come over here and just insert notes like we normally would. Let's just do this shape. It can literally be whatever you want. Whatever you do have here will play back. So if you don't want it to play back, or if you have a specific set of notes you prefer to play back, now would be the time to go figure out what those notes are. You can still add accidentals like you normally would have on notes, and those I don't believe will show. But again, if there's something particularly you want in playback, this is the time to fix it. So from here, there's two ways you can proceed. Both of them use the JW Change plugin, so if you don't have that, the link is in the description, and if you don't know how to install JW plugins, I have that in the description as well. So first, highlight this, come up here to Plugins, JW Change. Now the first thing we can do is we can change the visibility of the note heads from show to hide and hit apply, and we can see they're now hidden because they have that grayer color. And this will get the job done exactly how you want. But there's a more general solution. So I'm going to quickly come up here and show the note heads again, and then still in note heads, we're going to come down here to shape. And you can see I already have empty sauce hidden. So have that checked, and then hit apply, and now you can see that the notes are truly headless. The heads aren't just being hidden. But the nice thing about knowing this solution is that there's actually a bunch of other different note heads that you can use. So like if you want to fill in square notes, there you go. I use those for clusters. And if you want filled in triangle, there it is. Another fun one is the X note head, filled diamond, and if you want open diamond, you can use that for harmonics, etc., etc., etc. But I'm going to quickly hide these again using the empty and hidden because that's the effect we're wanting to get. So that's it for today. That's how you create headless notes in Finale. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Each week I post a new video on how to use Finale to the fullest. So if you don't want to miss out on them, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that we can get notified anytime a new video comes out.